little Hulk sitting here. Yeah, I see. Yeah, your body language, no? That's your body language. I see that. 50, you can write it. You can drive here. So here, pay attention. Roll. Brake is not necessary. Brake is not necessary. Brake is not necessary. So, and go. Yes, exactly. You can roll, no? Yeah. But pay attention, no? Yeah. So here on the right side you have a sign, you have information. In 50 meters you have here a zebra crossing. In 50 meters there's a zebra crossing and someone want to cross. Yes. Fine. Let them know that you wait. And go. Ja, prima, super, gut gemacht. That is practice. Yeah? Oh. Not so close on the right, please. Not too close on the right. Da steht ein Schild bei Rot hier halten. No, you can see that?
Yeah, danger sign.
So, bei Rot hier halten. Ne? Auf jetzt. Innenspiegel, Außenspiegel, Schulterblick. Nicht vergessen, das ist ganz wichtig, ne? 30, ne? Maximal. Maximum speed is 30, yeah? And now 30 is finished. And go. Brake is not necessary, you can see the area